What is ground red pepper? I have the 75th anniversary edition of Joy of Cooking. I've now come across 2 recipes that call for ground red pepper, enchiladas, and a dry rub. I've never heard of ground red pepper before and cannot find it at the store. Is it ground red bell pepper or something hot like cayenne? What should I use as a substitute?
The term ground red pepper is ambiguous in English. Things sold under that name in the US have a wide range of heats, and likely are made from multiple varieties of peppers, though I'd say they're more commonly hot things like cayenne, or other varieties with somewhat less heat. That said, don't worry about it too much in these cases. Anything from mild paprika to cayenne would likely fit within what the authors meant, and you're not going to harm a recipe by increasing or decreasing the heat, or by using a chili powder with a slightly different flavor. Just use something, or a blend, that provides the heat level you want, and you'll be fine. In most instances if seen, in American cookbooks, red pepper refers to cayenne pepper or chili powder, not the spice mix designed for making chili con carne, but dried, ground chilies. It is usually spicy rather than being red bell pepper. Edit to add, I'm talking about this type of product, McCormick ground red pepper, see link, 1. Source, see link, 2.